this. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe. Do not leave without subscribing. Join the family, okay? And if you're already a subscriber, you know how we do it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the second variation of the 2019 trending gele. I did one and I dropped it some days back, so I'm just going to link it up here for you guys to check, because there are different ways of tying this gele. So this is going to be the second style that I'm showing you guys. Let's just get right into it, guys. So guys, this is the gele that I'm using, and I'm going to be tying this particular style using a 50-50 method. By 50-50 it means each hand of the gele should be equal. So this is what my gele is going to be like, but I'm going to form some pleats first of all. You can see that I've formed my pleats. I'm just placing it on my head like so, and I'm making sure that the pleats are arranged neatly. And just as I said, it is 50-50. You can see that the two ends of the gele are equal. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be crossing the gele at the back. The right hand is going to go above while the left hand will go below. So now I have crossed it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to secure one of the gele under my armpit while I twist the other. Make sure you twist it tight and firm. So now that I'm done twisting this one, I will just secure it under my second armpit, and then I'll twist the next one. So now we're just going to bring them forward like this. Secured it in front. I'm just going to wrap the shorter one because I want it to be one-sided. So by the time I put it on the side I want it to be on my left hand side. You can also make yours on the right hand side, but when you put it on one side, one hand becomes shorter than the other one, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to take the longer hand now. Make sure I twist it around properly and then wrap it around the shorter hand like so, as you guys can see. So I will use it. I'm basically using it to secure the shorter hand. Then I'm just going to hold it down like this while I pin it. So I'm just going to pin this on top of this side here. So guys, I use about 4 office pins to pin down the end of the longer one which I twisted. So now I'm just going to style this one. So guys, just to switch it up a bit, I'm going to be taking this other end. I'm bending it to this other side a bit and then pinning here down. So this is another way to wear this particular gele. I just switched it up a bit. This is another way to rock the same gele. Check the previous one because I had another style of tying this new trending gele. And I'm going to be dropping another one next. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share to your friends. And also subscribe so that you don't miss the third style of this, the third variation of this new trending gele. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.